Springboard students. My name is Becca Lucas, and I will be teaching the Indigenous Nations Sovereignty and Land course this summer at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. I've been teaching in the Ethnic Studies department here since the spring of 2022, and prior to returning home to San Luis Obispo, I worked in food systems and agriculture, climate change and policy, all elements that we will talk about within the context of this course. I say that I returned home to San Luis Obispo because I was born and raised here, and I am also a member of the titʻu, tiłhini Northern Chumash tribe of San Luis Obispo County and region, the homeland peoples of this place with a documented presence for over 10,000 years. In our time together, we will learn more about our tribe and this beautiful land that surrounds us here, in addition to numerous vibrant tribes that have populated this continent for time immemorial and are still here today. We will also discuss past and present policies that impact Native nations, campaigns for environmental justice, and much more. I look forward to having you in class.